Today I will show you how to install an eSIM on your iPhone directly from your settings menu. This method works if your carrier provides a QR code or activation details through email or a printed card. First, unlock your iPhone and open settings. Now scroll down and tap on cellular. On some iPhones, this may be called mobile service. So tap on add eSIM or set up cellular. Now select use QR code. Hold your iPhone over the QR code provided by your carrier and scan it. If the QR code doesn't scan or if your carrier only gave you activation details, then tap enter details manually. Then type the SIM DP plus address. Then type the activation code. These details will be provided by your carrier. After entering the details, tap continue. Now your iPhone will ask which type of plan do you have. Choose the option that matches your uses. Next, you'll see an option to turn on low data mode. For now, simply tap on not now. And that's it. Your eSIM is now successfully installed and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech videos.